Hi guys, welcome back to this house of fashion. Today's episode is going to be on how to sew this particular two-step handkerchief skirt with an elastic band. So here is after when I've cut it out. If you have not watched the tutorial on how to cut, please kindly go and watch it so I can understand better. So this is the band where the elastic cover is going to pass through. I make the waist excess. I have some inches to the waist measurement so I can add my elastic cover to it. So I'm joining the band like this. So I'm done with this stitching. So the next thing is to add my elastic cover to it, then join into the waist. So here is the waist. I've joined the small one on top of the bigger one, as in the first step and the second step. You can see I've joined them together at the waist. So after that, this is the elastic cover that passed through the band. You can see how it is. Then I'm going to cut out the excess, then join the waist to the band of the skirt, as you can see. So the band and the waist of the skirt, they are the same measurement. Before I use an elastic cover to shrink it this way. So the band here is 30 inches in wideness, as in the roundness of this now is 30 inches. This is 15 inches, you can see. This is 15 inches. Then the elastic cover, the band also is 30. 15 in two places, that's 30, and this also is 30. So I'm not going to use this to join this now. So I'm trying to locate the center of the band and the center back of the skirt, because we are starting from the back here, hand to the back. You understand? So that is why I'm placing the center of the band to the center of the back of the skirt. So then I will now start to sew. Welcome back guys. Here the finished work. You can see how beautiful this handkerchief skirt is. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. And for those who have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video always. Bye.